Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay,
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
we have done addition and subtraction. Any confusion in that? Any confusion in doing addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
okay. Now, I am going to move ahead with the topic. In that, we will be don't require this. Okay, we will be dealing with finding the value of algebraic expression and exercise number 7.3, the last exercise of your chapter, of this chapter. This is the last exercise of this chapter. First, let's understand what's the concept. If x is given, then we have to find the value of the other term. Means before this time we were doing just we were making the algebraic expression. Now we will be substituting the value of values and try to find out the value of the total algebraic expression. For example, I have taken here. See, first step is to see that the terms are in simplified form or not. Is it in simplified form? Can we reduce it or add anything extra or subtract anything from it? Check. Do we? Can we add anything or subtract? Can we change the algebraic expression to any form now? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No.
Yes,
So now,
ma'am.
yes, we can change. Then how can we change?
Ma'am, into exponential 4 and 4.
Beta, we are talking about algebraic forms. Are we talking about exponential form? Okay. Now, what we will do, we will
ये सुबह
substitute of x
साढ़े
equals
आठ
to,
फैंसी हो गई थी.
we will be substituting the value of x into 2 equal to 2. That will make you x square plus 4x plus 4. So what is I'm doing? I'm just substituting x equals to 2 ka whole square plus 4 into 2 plus 4. Now what I've done, just I've substituted the value of x in place of x in the equation. So what happened? 2 square is 2 square plus 4 into 2 plus 4. So answer becomes 2 square is 4, 4 into 2 is 8 and 4. Now we will add it and the answer is 16. Understood the concept?
Yes, ma'am.
So then try it this one. 8 by 3 x minus 1 by 6. The value of x is 1. Sorry, x is 2. The value for x is 2. Similarly, same. The value for x is 2. Do it for me. Fast. I know it's late. The fast you do, the fast you are relieved. The fast you do, the fast you are relieved. Come on, tell me what's the answer. Come on, who will tell me?
Ma'am, 31 by 6.
Okay, let's see are you correct or not. X is equal to 2, 8 by x, 8 by 3x minus 1 by 6. So 8 by 3 into 2 minus 1 by 6. That gave me 16 by 3 minus 1 by 6. Then 16 into 2, take the LCM 6, 16 into 2 minus 1 into 1. 32 minus 1 gave us 31 by 6 and that is mixed in the mixed form 5, 1 by 6. Who gave the answer? Okay.
Ma'am, Nusra.
Nusra, very good. Nusra, now this question is for the whole class. If you have opened your book, please open exercise 7.3. Exercise 7.3 and try to do question number 2D. Try to do question number 2D. Try to do question number 2D fast. And who will tell me the first? Who will tell me the answer? I am repeating the question 7.3 exercise 2D. A plus B multiplied by A minus B, value of A is 0 and value of B is minus 1. Who will do it for me?
Ma'am, -1.
Can you explain? You have to explain clearly. Yes. Who is answering? Who will be explaining me? Please switch on your video and tell me who is answering me.
The value of A0 and B1.
Switch on your video so that I can see you. Is it possible? Okay, it's not possible, then explain. Okay. Explain it. Explain what you did. Okay, explain me what you did.
Ma'am, we put the value of A is equal to
8.
And
Now Nusra is answering now. Come on, Nusra. Yes.
Ma'am, putting the value of A 0 and B -1, and ma'am, the second one, multiplication one, ma'am, we put the value of A 0 and B +1. Then ma'am, the answer will be -1 into +1. So ma'am, when we multiply, then we get the answer as -1.
Good. Because in the second part, minus was in front of B. So my B was substituted by -1 and minus makes plus. So +1 and -1. Very good. Now try question number 3C. Turn to next page. Try question number 3C. M is equal to -3, N is equal to 2. C question is M cube minus 3 bracket 4 minus N square. Come on, who will do? Who is going to solve this one for me? Anyone trying or not?
Ma'am, -27.
-27. Can anyone explain? Or any other answer? Who has given me the answer can explain, or any other answer they want to give? Who gave the answer -27? Come on, I heard the voice now. Nusra. Okay, Nusra, can you explain me how you got -27? Because I can see others are sleeping. Only Joshita and Nusra are studying, rest are sleeping. They are moved to sleep, in a mood of sleeping, daydreaming. Okay, Nusra, please explain me. How it found out -27? Can you tell me the steps?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when we put the value of M cube, the -3, so we'll do -3 into -3 into -3.
So first
and
step
ma'am, we have
wait. First step is value substitution. So we will write -3 whole cube, right? Right or wrong?
Yes,
the
ma'am.
first step is value substitution. So -3 whole cube -3 bracket 4 minus 2 square. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Right.
So then what you did?
Ma'am, -3 into -3 into -3, ma'am, then bracket 4 minus 4.
4 minus 4 give you 0. 0 multiplied by -3 is 0. So we were left with minus 3 cube, and that is minus 27. Good. Any other
Yes.
confusion? Any confusion? Okay, I am repeating the steps for you. See, m cube minus 3, 4 minus n square. M cube was substituted by minus 3 cube minus 3 bracket 4 minus 2 square. So m cube changed to minus 27 and n square changed to 4. And it was a minus sign, so it became in bracket, the final number we got minus 27 minus 3 into 4 minus 4. When we solved 4 minus 4, it gave us 0. 0 into minus 3 is again 0. So we were left with m cube only. That is minus 3 cube only. That was answer minus 27. Any confusion? Are the students present, or just they have switched it on and moved from here?
Ma'am, after 0 that
Ma'am, present.
4 minus 4 is 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is what? 0. So minus 3 multiplied by 0 is 0. And any number added to it or subtracted to it will give the same number. So minus 27 when subtracted from 0 gave minus 27.
Okay.
Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if I am clear, then try one more question. 3D. And now I want the answer from others also. 3D. The same questions, 3D. Fast. 3D. Do it fast. Into bracket 3m plus 10 bracket close plus 2n plus 14, m equals to minus 3 and n equals to 2. Come on. Who is giving me the right answer? Joshita, where are you? Today you are sleeping.
Ma'am,
No
I'm
joke.
solving it. Just a minute.
Ma'am, 23.
23. Any other answer?
Ma'am, 23.
Very good.
23.
Very good. Who gave one more? Two students more have waken up. This one is who? Joshita has waken up, and who has? Okay, Ishita has waken up. Okay, Ishita, can you explain me how you found 23? Ishita,
Ma'am,
can
first we will
right? First you will substitute. So what we have substituted and where what
Ma'am.
we have? Yes.
Ma'am, 5 bracket 3 into minus 3 plus 10 bracket plus 2 into 2 plus 14.
Okay.
Then ma'am, we will solve 5
The
bracket
brackets,
3 into
right?
3 is equal minus 9 plus 10 bracket plus 2 into 2 is equal 4 plus 14.
Okay.
Then ma'am, we will solve the bracket. Minus 9 plus 10 is equal 1. 5 into 1 plus 4 plus 14. Then ma'am, we will solve multiplication. 5 into 1 is equal 5 plus 4 plus 14. 4 plus 14 is equal 18. 5 plus 18 is equal 23.
Very good. Any confusion or should I repeat? Any confusion or should I repeat? I have to repeat or you have confusion?
Understood.
Huh?
Ma'am,
You mean-
please repeat.
Ma'am, no confusion.
Okay, I'm repeating it. See, 5 bracket 3 into minus 3 for m plus 10 bracket close plus 2 into 2 for n plus 14. So the number becomes 5 bracket 3 into minus 3 plus 10 bracket close plus 2 into 2 plus. Now can you solve the question? Now can you solve it? So what happens? Minus 3 into 3 gives us minus 9, and minus 9 plus 10 is 1. So 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. First part solved. Second part is 2n. 2n means 2 plus 2. 2 into 2, 4. Third part was a constant, 14. So in the first we got 5. From the second part we got 4. From the third part we got 14. And if we add 5 plus 4 plus 14, it's 23. Am I clear now? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Moving to the next type of question which you have to deal. Moving
Yes,
to
ma'am.
the last type of question which you have to do in this this chapter is when you have many variables together and you have to find only one variable. See, question is said if p is equals to minus x minus 2 bracket में plus q is equals to minus 2 bracket y plus 1 and r is equals to minus x plus 2y, you have to find a. See, you have to find a when the condition is given p plus q plus r is equal to ax. For this type of question, what we do, we break it into LHS and RHS. So we will first take the LHS. See, LHS part is p plus q plus r. So what we will do, we will substitute the value of p, q and r which is given in the question in the LHS. So what's the value of p? That is minus bracket x minus 2. What is the value of q? That is minus 2 bracket y plus 1. And what's the bracket of value of r? That is minus x plus 2y. So I substituted here. Am I clear till here? Am I clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what we will do?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will solve the expression. We will open the small brackets first. So minus x plus 2. Then minus, see, minus 2 multiplied by y plus 1. That makes me minus 2y plus minus plus minus minus 2y minus 2, and the last bracket plus sign is there, so we will just open the bracket and nothing changes will be there. So minus x plus 2y. Am I correct in writing here till here? Am I clear with the concept of opening the small brackets? Any confusion till here? Class, any confusion till here?
No,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Yes. No. What? Give me a definite answer. Yes or no? So now what we will do? We will open the square brackets because we are left with the square bracket. See, on opening, because there was only a plus sign before a square bracket, there was no change in sign. So minus 2y minus 2. So now the expression becomes minus x plus 2 minus 2y minus 2 minus x plus 2y. See, minus 2 and plus 2 can be cancelled because 2 plus 2 and minus 2 is 0. Plus a minus a is 0 or not? So we are using that concept. If we add and subtract the value of with the same plus a minus a gives us 0. So we are using that law. So minus 2 plus 2 and minus 2 is 0. Again minus 2y and plus 2y is 0. Right or wrong? Right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we are left with minus x and minus x. So what's the answer? You have done addition subtraction. What's the answer? What's the answer? Come on, fast. Minus x will give us? Minus x and minus x will give us what? Coefficient of x is minus 1 and coefficient of another x is minus 1. So minus 1 plus minus 1 is how much? Come on.
Minus 2.
Ma'am, minus 2x.
Minus
Minus
minus 1 and minus 1 is minus 2. So minus 2x. Now we have solved the LHS. Now we will move to the RHS side. See, RHS is already solved. Can we solve it further? Can we solve it further?
No, ma'am.
No. So what we will do, we will be equating the RHS and the LHS. So what we got? Minus 2x equals to AX. We have to find the value of A in AX equals to minus 2x. We will take this x to the LHS side. Since it's a multiplication, it will become division. So now you will use the exponent law. Minus 2x. See, power of x is 1 and power of x is 1 again. 1 minus 1 is 0. So x to the power 0 is 1. Am I right or wrong?
Ma'am, right.
Right. So am I right in writing this? A equals to minus 2.
Yes, ma'am.
So this was the concept. Any confusion in this type of question? Any confusion in this type of question? Any confusion in this type of question? Yes or no? Minimum answer yes or no. If no, then ask. If yes, then ask.
No, ma'am.
No? Everyone is saying no, or anyone is still saying yes?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then no. If no, then please note down the homework. It's question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 and 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 and 11. And this is the last exercise of this chapter. This is the last exercise of this chapter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 and 11. And this is the last exercise of this chapter. Noted?
Yes, ma'am.
Noted the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other confusion? Any other confusion? Class, ask, and if not, then I'll end the class.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Have a nice day.